Hello guys, this time I'm going to cook macaroni salad. I will do this one because I miss to eat macaroni salad, so I will do this royal premium salad macaroni. Okay, so the water is boiling already. Then after I will put the macaroni salad. Royal. Okay. So it's boiling. I add already salt there. I need to boil the macaroni salad for 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes boiling. We'll wait for that 10 minutes. For 10 minutes. Oh. Oops. Hey. Need to boil for 10 minutes because I miss to eat salad from Philippines. This salad is from Philippines. Okay, wait for 10 minutes guys. So guys, the macaroni is cooked already. I need to wash in a cold water before I mix here because the ingredients is already prepared. So I will mix it here. So I need first to wash on a cold water. See guys, need to wash cold water before mixing the ingredients. Okay. So need to mix. Ihalo na kayong mga ingredients para matapos na. Ayan. Ayun, sarap. Mix nyo nga yung ano. Oh my God. The cream. Okay. Para matikman ng amo ko kung ano ang luto ng Pinas na salad. Last one. View. The cream. Okay. Need to mix. Then ready to eat. Oh, wow. Uy, yummy. Ang sarap naman. Makakatikim ako ng for the past 4 years. Ngayon lang ako uli nakatikim ng salad. Dahil wala dito sa Taiwan. Ngayon lang ako nagluto. Okay. Wow. Ayan na. Tapos na yung salad ko. Okay guys, this is my salad. Macaroni salad. Yummy. Hello guys, so my salad is finished. This one, it's done. And I'm only waiting for my boss, my madam, to come in. We will try the salad. I will taste if it's really good. Perfect. Want to eat with me, guys? Macaroni salad. Good. Perfect. So, okay guys, this is my vlog for today, and hope you enjoy watching my videos. Thank you so much, and God bless. If you are really interested with my coming videos, please comments down below so that I know if you really like my salad. Thank you so much, and much love. For those who did not yet subscribe my channel, please comments, likes, subscribe my channel. God bless, and bye bye.